For that, yeah, because I
only
just getting started. Yeah. But on there we have an accordion, saxophone, banjo, guitar, bass, and drums.
And you stay here in Slovenia now?
For a little bit, and then I'll go home next week.
You know SMPJ?
Yeah, I'm a member.
SMPJ je združenje vseh ameriških kanadskih klubov v Ameriki in Kanadi. To je kot ena inštitucija, kjer lahko se ti članiš, plačuješ za penzijo, tudi penzijo dobiš. Je pa bila 100-letnica in je bil Špiro Slak, pa Odin Cvikalič, pa jaz in vem, zakaj so mene zbrali. In sem jaz bil 5 tednov na turneji. To je bilo super enkrat, da so oni, vse so oni organizirali. Plačali, vse organizirali, vozni, spanje, vse to je bilo, tako ne bo nikoli več.
No, ja, seveda.
Veš, tam, ki hočeš ti narediti, moraš živeti. Vse nam so rekli, mi živimo v Ameriki sta par let, pa bi tudi naredili tam kariero. Ampak mi smo že tu imeli preveč dela.
So Johnny Koenig is with us. You've been in Slovenia for a few days now.
That's right.
So your impressions are you come to some crazy country, or it's normal, or it's they like accordion a lot, or what? What is your?
I love the country. It's been a great experience so far. Just having the opportunity to come here and spread my music. So.
Yes. So it's Slovenia and States living. If we compare, this is completely the same or some differences?
There are some differences.
Yes. Big differences?
I wouldn't say big, no.
Where are the differences, for example?
Just a lot more happening outside, enjoying the weather, than back home.
Oh, yeah?
You got to maximize your time in the outdoors for the seasons, and just everything seems more relaxed here.
You think so?
Yeah, a little bit. Not as much pressure. It's still busy, but it doesn't seem hectic.
Oh, good. I like to hear that. But that's your impressions. Yeah, that's right. That's good. So you're coming from Cleveland?
Pittsburgh. I live in Pittsburgh now. So.
Okay.
Spent some time in Cleveland and grew up in New York. So been around the States.
And how come that you start to play accordion, Slovenian polka and waltz?
My whole family was in music. My dad played accordion. My mom actually played accordion, and my grandfather played piano and trumpet in my father's band. And my father would take me on the gigs with him, and I help him set up the equipment ever since I can remember. So.
Is that true that Jankovic was your coach on the accordion?
He was an inspiration. He would perform at a club my dad would manage and host some polka events, and he would make appearances. And I sang with Jankovic when I was 7 years old, him and Walter Ostanek many times. So, and had a lot of good experiences and good encouragement from them. They were always inspiring me and hoping that the next generation would continue to play polkas.
You show me just a picture where you together like a kid with your father and Frank Jankovic and Walter Ostanek.
That's right.
And legends like this.
Yeah.
So that is quite
it's a legacy.
Legacy, yeah. It goes from the generation before to you. And yeah, when you will have a hit, radio hit, big polka hit, like Jankovic have 48.
Yeah, well, just because, yeah. We need another one. Maybe sooner rather than later. You never know.
So what do you think? Can you do something? Can you do build up your career in Europe?
I don't see why not. You know, we got to work hard at it, but be strong and got to have good songs, good lyrics, and play what the people want.
Okay. Next planning, next future? About some gigs in States or whatever you have?
Yeah. When I get home, I go right back into the studio there. We're working on some recording there. It should be out for our tour this fall. We start touring in September, and we'll tour probably 15 states and probably 20 gigs in a month. So we're pretty busy.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you. With the
this and this is new.
okay,
It's, need to.
you gotta break it in.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I like the action on the keyboard, and it's
Yeah. Mechanisms is we have a lot of our thinking each harmonica.
right.
Yeah.
Now, does that one have piccolos or no?
No. This have this basson. No.
Okay, and that's it.
Yes. This is harmonica for each music. This is more for house singing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this feels great.
Ruta normal.
And then just how many voices?
Four.
Now, do you guys put MIDI on as well?
Yeah, we cooperate with Total MIDI.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have you heard of Baldoni in the US? I inherited one of their American Helicons, so it's got the button box bass. What is this, 19? The keyboard size?
19, yes.
19.
Lahko bi rekli, da ruter je najslavnejša slovenska harmonika, ne? Z Avsenikom je zaslovela, ne?
Ja, trudimo se, ne?
Ja.
Trudimo se delati, boljš pa pač to se tudi pozna normalno, je rekel, na priznanosti, a ne?
In vi imate zdaj probleme z kopijami v lastni državi?
Tako, točno tako. Zdaj pa upamo, da zdaj s Litvijo, zato ker so tudi v Avstriji, pa tudi tukaj že v Sloveniji so nam na uradah povedali, da od zunaj so drugačne pristojnosti in pravim, upam, da se bo dalo res to rešiti zdaj, a ne.
Here's another one we recorded back in 2007, The Baby Doll. Sweetheart, don't you leave me, oh baby doll.